Milnes method for second order ordinary differential equations. Okay, we'll start. Milnes predictor and corrector formula for solving first order ODE. This was the formula. We discussed this in module 4. Y4 of p is equal to y0 plus 4h by 3, 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. This is predictor formula. We studied this in module 4, correct? You did problems also. Then y4 of c is y2 plus h by 3, y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. This is corrector formula. Given method to solve the ODE, ordinary differential equation of second order. So this is the working procedure. I will directly go to problem, then I will explain, then you will understand better. I will directly take up the problem.
ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಸರ್
ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಸರ್
ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಸರ್
ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಸರ್ ನಾಗೇಶ್
ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
ಈಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. Okay, we'll directly go to problems. Apply Milnes method to solve d square y by dx square equal to 1 plus dy by dx. Given the following table of initial values, compute y of 0.4. This is the given table. So this much data they will give. Okay, this much data they will only provide. You need not worry about this data, how this comes. They will provide in the question itself. Just we need to solve by using these data. First thing is put y dash or dy by dx equal to z. I told in Rangekutta method also y dash, that is dy by dx, will be recorded as z only. In all the problems dy by dx will take z. Okay, that becomes first function. Then y double dash, differentiate this with respect to x. D square y by dx square is equal to dz by dx. Correct? Differentiation of this with respect to x is y double dash. Differentiation of this with respect to x is d square y by dx square. Differentiation of this is dz by dx. You are listening now? If you have any problem in listening, you just message me. Listening, right? Many of them listening correctly. Somebody is telling they are listening low voice. Is it hearing properly, or can is okay? Many of them are telling it's proper. So if anybody feel you are not listening or the voice is low, just message me. Put y dash equal to dy by dx. So yesterday I gave, before showing this question, yesterday I gave two problems, right? How many of them solved? I haven't shared the notes because I told you have to tell the answer, then I will show the, then I will share the notes. Anybody solved? I will open that. Just a minute, I will open that notes. Then I will go to this method. Sorry for the disturbance. I will share that notes so that you can cross check your answers. This was the question, right? Fourth question. I will directly show the answer. You just write the answer. If you have this is the fourth question. I will just show the answer. This is the answer. Y of 0.1 is 1.05. I will share the notes. Later I will share the notes. If you have any confusion or where we went wrong, you can cross check there. .05. Next, this fifth one answer is 4.762 for y dash of 0.1. Y of 0.1, 2.6906. Okay, this is the answer. You cross check once again before seeing notes. Where you went wrong, you have to cross check. You should learn that also. We'll go to Miller's method. We were discussing first problem, right? Y dash equal to dy by dx equal to z. So this is same for all the problems in second order. This will be same. First step is same. Differentiate with respect to x. Y double dash equal to dy by dx equal to z. Differentiate this. If you differentiate y dash, that will be y double dash. If you differentiate this, that will be d square y by dx square. If you differentiate that, that will be dz by dx. Next, take the given problem. What is the given problem? D square y by dx square equal to 1 plus dy by dx. That is the given problem. In place of d square y by dx square, we need to substitute dz by dx. And 1 and plus will be same. 1 plus in place of dy by dx, z. So what happens to the given problem? Z dash equal to 1 plus z. This is the new form. It will come, it reduces to new form. This is the given problem. Which one? D square y by dx square equal to 1 plus dy by dx. It will reduce us to new form. Which is the new form? This one. Z dash equal to 1 plus z. Now, after reducing this, find out y dash of 0. Why this y dash of 0? Here, what is the starting value of x? 0. That's why y dash of 0, sorry, z dash of 0, z dash of 0 0.1, z dash of 0 0.2, z dash of 0 0.3 you need to find out. So, z dash of 0. How this z dash of 0, how to find out this? By using this. We have z dash. We have z dash, find out z dash of 0. Z dash of 0 means in place of z, in place of z, z of x. Z of x, z both are same. So this is, I will write here and I will show. This is same as z dash of x equal to 1 plus z of x. These are same. Okay. For simplicity, you won't write x all the time. You should remember that z and z of x both are same. Now z dash of 0 equal to 1 plus z of 0. What is z of 0? Z of x is equal to z of 0 means y dash of 0. Okay, why? Because z dash and y both are same. See here, z dash, sorry, y dash and z both are same. So this is nothing but z dash, y dash is nothing but z only. Y dash is nothing but z only. Okay, this is z naught, this is z1, this is z2. Okay, understood? Y dash and z both are same. Don't get confused. Clear? Find out z dash of 0, z dash of 0.1, z dash of 0.2, z dash of 0.3. Now we'll rewrite the table again. So x naught value is 0, x1 value is 0.1, x2 value is 0.2, x3 value is 0.3. It is given in the problem itself. This value is also given. This full row it is given. This also it is given. This also it is given, but in place of y dash we will write z. Next, this one we need to find out. Which one? Y double dash. Y double dash or z dash. Both will be same. Y double dash or z dash, both it is represent same value. So z naught dash we calculated here above. First one, 2 we got. That one you will write. Z1 dash similarly we calculated here 2.2103 we got. So we'll write all these values. Okay, then write the formula. Y4 of p is equal to y naught plus 4h by 3, 2z1 minus z2 plus 2z3. Okay, 2z1, be careful. Here we won't write y1 dash minus y2 dash. You will write z1 minus z2 plus 2z3 because both are same. Y1 dash and z1 both are same. So y4 of p equal to y naught plus 4h by 3 into 2z1 minus z2 plus 2z3. Next, what is z4 of p formula? Z naught plus 4h by 3 2z1 dash minus z2 dash plus 2z3 dash. This is the formula. You will substitute the values. Z y4 of p, it is similar to previous Milnes method only. Only thing is one more formula. This is extra formula. This is extra formula. Then here we will write these terms in terms of z. Okay. Only that is the difference, and that one included in the second order ODE. H is also same. Substitute all the things. You will get y4 of p as 1.5835 and z4 of p as 1.9835. Okay. Next, Milnes corrector formulae. These are Milnes corrector formulae. Y4 of c equal to y2 plus h by 3, z2 plus 4z3 plus z4, z4 of c equal to z2 plus h by 3, z3 dash plus 4z3 dash plus z4 dash. Corrector formula I have doubt. Here it is correct. C. Z4 of C, Z2 plus H by 3, Z2 dash. This is wrong. Where it is, oh, this is Z2 dash. This is wrong. Actually, this is Z2 dash. Z2 dash. Okay, Z2 dash plus 4Z3 dash plus Z4 dash. Substitute all the values. In these methods, remembering the formula is very important. If you write the formula, then 70% of the problem is solved. Okay. Other thing is you will do mistake in calculating. So substitute all the values. If you substitute, but we have one more problem here. We need Z4 dash, where for this we need Z4 dash. Z4 dash, how to find that? In previous one we calculated Y4 dash. Similarly, here we need Z4 dash. How to find Z4 dash? Z4 dash will be 1 plus Z4 of P. There Y4 dash we wanted. There we substituted 1 plus Y4 of P. Here Z4 dash will be 1 plus Z4 of P. Okay, only that value we required. That one you need to calculate. Other than that, we have all the values. Substitute all the values. We'll get Y4 of C and Z4 of C. Okay. Any doubt in this? This one applying again, I think as it is a lengthy problem, I don't think they will ask again. Apply corrector formula twice, I don't think they will ask again. See once again, if you have any doubts, you can ask. See once. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Understood, everybody? Understood first problem? Understood? Okay, I will just forward in your WhatsApp group. You can download. Now only I will share. Got notes? Okay, now open the notes and you can check. I just explained. So shall I go to next problem? Next problem. Apply Milner's method to compute y of 0.8 given that d square y by dx square equal to 1 minus 2y dy by dx and the following table of initial values. This is the given values. First thing what we need to do, we need to change y to z. How to change that? Take y dash dy by dx as z, then y double dash will become r d square y by dx square will be z dash. According to that, change the given problem. In place of d square over dx square, z dash will come in, and 1 minus 2y in place of dy by dx, z will come. Okay. Find out z0 dash, z1 dash, z2 dash, z3 dash. How to find that? I told in previous problem. 1 minus 2y naught z naught. What is y naught? This is y naught value, this is z naught value. Then to find z1 dash, 1 minus 2y1 z1. This is y1 value, this is z1 value. Then z2 dash, 1 minus 2y2 minus 2y2 z2. This is y2, this is z2. Similarly, z3 dash equal to 1 minus 2 y3 z3. This is y3, this is z3. Now rewrite the table. For this, you can write this table. You can write this table. Then just keep these values blank. Just keep these values blank. Why I am telling this? In this, in calculating z0 dash 1 minus 2 y naught z naught, no, so here you are writing what is y naught and what is z naught. That one you can directly substitute here, there will be no confusion. Then anyhow you need to write the table now. You can write the table, then below that you can calculate this, then substitute back. Like that also you can do. Now substitute back. After finding out this z0 dash, z1 dash, z2 dash, z3 dash, take the Milner's predictor formula. What is Milner's predictor formula? Y4 of p equal to y0 plus 4h by 3, 2z1 dash minus z2 which one I have to repeat. Okay, with the, writing the table, or full solution. Writing the table, I will repeat. Writing the table, first write this, put y dash equal to dy by dx equal to z, y double dash equal to this much, then write this table. Okay, write this table, write x naught, x1, x2, x3, y naught, y1, y2, y3, sorry, y2, sorry, this is y3, not y2, this is y3, change this, then z naught, z1, z2, z3. Okay, then y dash is z. This all these data are given. This data, this data, this data. These three rows data are given. This row we don't know the data. Okay, that one we need to calculate. For that keep these data blank. Keep these data blank. Then calculate here, then substitute back. That's what I told. Why I am telling? Because z dash is 1 minus 2y z. Z0 dash means z0 dash means 1 minus 2 y naught z naught. Okay, in that table you have written z naught, what is z naught, what is y naught, so that you can directly substitute. There will be no confusion. Z1 dash will be 1 minus y1 z1. So this is also same thing. Y1 z1 you have written, so directly you can write. Okay, that's what I told. Next, write the formula. After writing the formula, write this formula, substitute the values, substitute all the values, you will get this much as the answer. Next, corrector formula. This is the corrector formula. Y4 of c equal to y2 plus h by 3 into z2 plus 4z3 plus z4. Z4 of c is z2 plus h by 3, z2 dash plus 4z3 dash plus z4 dash. This is the formula. So we need z4 dash. This is the thing we should calculate. Z4 dash equal to 1 minus y4 of p, z4 of p. 1 minus 2, 0.3049. Y4 of p we calculated here. Here we got. Then z4 of p, here we got. Okay. So substitute all the values, you will get z4 dash. Substitute back, you will get y4 of c, z4 of c. Okay, apply corrected formula again for y4, means take this formula again, then you will get the more we'll start third problem. Any doubt in second problem? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Next, third problem, obtain the solution of the 2 dy by dx Everybody change your name, rename, give your ESN first, then your name. Many of them did, still some students are giving their name only. Just give your name so that marking attendance will be easier for me. Give your ESN first, then your name. If you just give your ESN also, no problem. John Havi, Janavi, give your ESN. You change your name permanently. Obtain the solution of the equation 2d square y by dx square is equal to 4x plus dy by dx by computing the value of the dependent variable corresponding to the value of 1.4 of the independent variable by applying Milner's method by using the following data. This is the given problem. These are the given datas. The given, we need to divide the given equation by 2. Why? I told only d square y by dx square should be left hand side, all other terms should be right hand side. That's why divide both sides by 2 so that only d square y by dx square will be left in left hand side. So 2x plus 1 by 2 dy by dx. Now we can write this as y double dash equal to 2x plus y dash by 2 and h is 1.1. Sorry, that is not 1.1. Oh, it becomes 1.1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So 0.1. This is not 1.1. So there are so many mistakes, 3 mistakes. Up to here we got 3 mistakes. This is 0.1, not 1.1. Change this. This is h value is 0.1. Now, first thing is I told put y dash equal to z and differentiate this. Y double dash equal to z dash you will get. Change the given problem in place of d square over d square. Put z dash and 2x as it is 1 by 2 in place of dy by dx z. Find out z0 dash, z1 dash, z2 dash, z3 dash. Now form this table. Okay. Next, take predictor formula y4 of p equal to y0 plus 4h by 3, 2z1 minus z2 plus 2z3. And z4 of p is, this is the formula. Substitute all the values from the table, you will get this much. Then corrector formulae, these are the corrector formulae. For that we need y4 z4 dash, that will be this much. Substitute back z4 dash in the formula. So we got all the all the values for this formula. Substitute back, you will get y4 of c, z4 of c. Okay, this is y4 of 1.4. Next, fifth one, write this problem. You can try this. Write this problem. Write this problem. Okay, try that problem. We will continue. uh, Using Milner's method. Sixth one will continue in next class. We discuss fifth and sixth one in next class. Okay, you can leave the class.